Disappearing may seem like a smart idea if you want to avoid attention or simply want to be left alone. In most cases, it is unnecessary to flee, and most issues can be resolved with assistance. 1. Find approaches to your issues that won't cause you to fully vanish. There are many valid reasons to vanish, but there are just as many that can be resolved without resorting to extreme methods. Speak with those you can trust, such your friends and family. Another option is to seek out a qualified therapist to go over your options. 2. If you're underage, stay put to prevent things from getting worse. If you're a minor, people are going to come seeking for you. Being independent is difficult, lonely, and perhaps even dangerous. 3. If you're an adult, decide to depart in a responsible manner. When you're an adult, you have a lot more freedom to leave home and start a business somewhere. The majority of issues arise from abruptly leaving those you care about and hurting them. You could either let them know you're leaving or disappear by switching your location. 4. To lessen the chance of being discovered, travel alone. When you go with someone else, your chances of being found significantly rise. Use a variety of fictitious names and identities, no matter who you are traveling with, to maintain your anonymity. 5. If you feel like you need a break, take a quick break. Instead of packing everything up and leaving, go on a short trip. Try something new while maintaining your sense of self. Going there without sacrificing your own identity can be quite helpful. 6. Shut down your social media accounts on all platforms. Delete everything from your accounts, then deactivate them to earn bonus points. Getting rid of your accounts can help reduce the desire to log back in. 7. Clear the search history on your phone and computer. Your most recent downloads and internet searches are both stored on computers. There's a good chance you have a lot of crucial information there that could reveal your intentions. Delete the necessary files from your device to protect your privacy. 8. Change your name and background information. While you're traveling, adopt your new identity to avoid being recognized. Try to think of anything that is distinct from your true identity but doesn't draw too much attention. 9. Withdraw money from all of your bank accounts gradually. If you want to travel stress-free, you will need money. 10. Put your clothes and other essentials for the journey in your luggage. Bring a change of clothes, some snacks, and other essentials, at least. When you're disappearing, you frequently can't carry much, so you should keep your alternatives as little as possible. 11. Choose a destination to visit while you're away. Consider how much time you want to spend alone and what you want to do. Find venues that fit your needs and your budget. 12. Create a cover story about your destination. Unless you want to leave in the middle of the night, come up with an explanation for what you did. 13. To support oneself when you move, find a job. You're going to need money unless you're going to go back home right immediately. 14. In order to create a new persona, alter your style. If you don't create a new persona, you can find yourself repeating the behaviors that initially drove you to want to run away. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.